Hello, readers and writers. It's Mrs. Meekings. Today we're going to continue our lessons on poetry. Remember we said that poetry paints a picture in your mind with words, and we call that imagery. Can you say that word? Imagery. Now, today I'm going to read to you a poem entitled The Seahorses, and I want you to listen while I read the poem. If you notice, this poem is just words. There are no pictures to decorate the poem. While I'm reading, I want you to be making a picture in your mind. This poem is written by Bryn Patel Stevens. He wrote this poem when he was in third grade. He was 9 years old. Let's take a listen. A constellation of seahorses, blue glistening fins, scaly skin, rough, bumpy, glowing brightly in the blue night of sea, dancing, gliding, floating, a duvet of love and warmth covering everything it sees, entrancing, gorgeous, glowing, shifting through the endless forest of emerald seaweed, hiding in the coral, slowly drifting to the surface, covered in white frost-like patterns, a constellation of seahorses. Could you see the seahorses floating in the ocean? I could. Now be ready because I'm going to show you a picture of the poem. Isn't this amazing? This is how the illustrator illustrated this poem. Was this similar to the picture you saw in your mind? I think it's pretty amazing. Readers and writers, today you will listen to 2 poems and draw your images. I'm going to show you what your teacher will post for you to do this. Remember to hit present. And every time you see the speaker, click on it and I will give you a direction. This is the first poem. Make sure you click the link to listen to the author read it. And this is the second poem. You will choose one poem to draw an image. I also put in the entire books of the poems that we listened to in the last lesson. These are just to enjoy. Then when you're done, click on the link to post on Flipgrid. Remember, every time you see this speaker, I give a direction. Okay, readers and writers, let's get busy listening to poems and making those images in our mind.